folks, and today we have one trailer which is ready to shake the flat top. And we will have an introduction from the inside to the outside. The first thing I will introduce the size of the trailer. The trailer's length is 5 meters, is 16.5 feet. 2 meters width, 2 meters is 6.5 feet, and 2 meters height. And let's get into it. Here you see the inside, and this is the entertainment area. When it's ready to shape, we'll put all the mattress as usual you see in the video before. So this is a basic configuration for each of our model. We have only one model, is the Explorer, so they have just slightly difference on the parts upgrade. So inside, so let's step on the inside. We just cleaned them, so I'm just take off my shoes and standing inside of it. So the lighting, this is the lighting effect, the white ceiling, and also on top of the roof there's two handles for drag down the rooftop. And you see right now here we have a table in the middle. It can convert to a queen size bed, 2 meters by 1.85 meters. Convert to the inches is a 60.5 feet to the 6 feet. So this is enough for 2 adults sleeping here. We're also testing the air conditioner. This one is a frequency adjustment air conditioner, 12 volt, 800 watt rated. Here you see, and we have the, so this side is the original wood because we are install a TV here. So we removed the hooks and here, so you can see we have a TV for the customer. This one is a domestic TV, and this is the TV rack. It can rotate the TV by installing this. And let's see what we got inside the restroom here. The customer chose a cassette toilet, and the cassette toilet can rotate, also very unique. The stainless floor here, and the wall material of the restroom is the aluminum, the lightweight aluminum. And you see those side and these area are glued, so to protect the water leaking. Here also glues. And this one is a toilet plate, and there this the magnetic. So here, so using the magnetic, I'm putting down. So by using this, you can put some tablewares inside. Actually not. So some customer doesn't want this cassette toilet, so it becomes a like putting your clothing inside instead of a restroom here. So it depends on your needs actually. So here, so this is a very unique. We're making this toilet plate. Well, spend more like 2 hours. And here we have a steel sink here, and all those material are aluminum with the sealing, the glue sealing those gaps here. And this faucet, which we can produce hot and cold water here. So this faucet is retractable easily here. You can also fix the faucet over here. So then you can take a shower on the camper right now. Normally we have a water heater placed this area, but you know, this customer is using the water plumbing system. By using the water plumbing system, you don't need the water heater. The water heater is powered by the propane, you know, but the water plumbing is powered by the diesel. So that's different, right? And here you see we have a refrigerator, and this refrigerator is 40 liters capacity, slide out version. So let me just slide out for you here. let's see the capacity of it. So here inside, it has freeze and fridge function, which is very unique. So some customer like the dual function, just one space here, one space there. It is also available for us, and we can make it for that for you. So here you see customer install a plug here. We can make it for an international plug. And also here for collecting the TV, another plug here. So this is the unique customization on the camper. And also here you see we also have a plug in the sleeping area, and there's a USB charging port, and those can be opened. Those are the, so this is the hydraulic design. You can put some clothing inside of it, so it's easy to closing. And this is the mirrored polished stainless. And underneath here, so this is a protection board, so you can just open out by this way. So here you can manually lift the table. All the tools are on the table, and there's an induction cooker. You can place on it. You can cook coffee while you wake up in the morning. Here you see this one. You also have tons of storages here. A little bit slide here. 4 storage boxes over here in this area. Oh, sorry again. So a little bit because there's a TV here. All right, so we touch everything's on the camper, so you can feel it. And here you see we have a black hole, and this black hole is for the diesel heater air. The warm air comes through from the camper in that hole. We are using the teak floor, and the teak floor, it makes a difference of the quality on this camper. And all those are the original wood, the teak wood, which is very good quality and soft to touch it. Here we just check the trailer for the control panel. Here this way, this is the control panel. So the control panel managed everything on the camper right now. So you can see there's a screen for the MP5 music system. You can also charge and insert the memory card. This is the column meter. The column meter, it detects the battery storage and the solar on the top of the roof. And this machine is for the water plumbing. And this machine is 3000 watt inverter. We are installed the inverter for inverting and charging function. The both just in one machine here. This is the 5000 watt rated diesel heater. It also worked for 3000 kilometers altitude without any problems here. USB charging port here, and the external light, the water pump. We're using the C-flow water pump. You can also using this button to control the refrigerator. Here, the international plug. Water tank, it shows 73% of the water tank left. Water left. So here you see this way. This is the raw aluminum machine. Raw aluminum surface. So we are machining this for raw, so you can see the material that we exactly use on the camper. And let's take a look at this 4-side camera here, AV. Now you can see 4 sides of the camera. The camera can also work with for the front car while you turn the turn signal for the front car, and you can see this view from your car also. So you can choose that based on the parts that you select for this. And here I see this customer have more plugs here right now. There's two of it. We also have the bug proof. This is the bug proof. Privacy protection. This is the normal configuration on the camper. The two sides windows both have this. Two speakers over here. The music system on the camper is quite good. And the frame material of this is the aluminum profile, anodized and sandblasted. This is very glossy thing. And those area can be opened here while you are on the camper here. So there's another. So let's just check it for you. Here. Okay, we take a look at more details that we want to do. So here you see this way. So if you don't want to waste the batteries power, you just need to open all of this and to make it more air, fresh air come in on the camper. So it's very comfortable and super fresh. And here, the children's expandable bed here. All right, so this is the walkthrough of the camper inside. Thank you for watching here. The children's expandable bed. When it's fully expanded, you can sleep 2 kids here, or you can storage some like the blanket or comfort here. No problem here. All right, let's take a look at the exterior. So our staffs working cleaning the exterior. So here you see the customer chose a 180 degrees side tent here, and this side tent can open like a 270 degree here. It's very unique, and I also have 3 walls on it, which is perfect for just an enclosing area. The height of this tent to the ground is 22 meters, which is 7.22 feet. All right, so the 4-side camera, we just show you inside. 1 camera this way, one camera at the other, and 1 camera in the middle, and 1 camera at the rear of the trailer. Okay, let's take a look at the hitch area. This is very important. For the hitch area, we are using the Trek 2000 poly block imported from Australia, and this originated from Australia, made in China. Handbrake, manual brake, and here there's 2 safety chains. Every time you are towing the trailer, you have to put inside of it, and you see those tools. We also have a ball coupler for the customers here. Wait. And this is the 13-pin connection for the electric and electric brake, and signals the front and rear work at the same time. Here we also have a 550 watt rated super powerful electric wheel mover. So by using this, you don't need to using the manpower to move the trailer any longer anyway here. So Anderson plug. Using the Anderson plug in the front car, you can charge the rear battery for the front car, and also you need to install a battery isolation. Yeah, you also need to install a P3 brake controller if your front car doesn't have this this tool and equipment. All right, and there's a 1000 jack here, and by using this 1000 jack, you can look like this way to adjust the height of the trailer here. All right, when you don't need to use it, you can also, by using this handle, to move it like this way here. So this is the hitch. A big toolbox. In the US, we will have an adapter on the camper, so you can connect to the US propane tank with a China standard, a 5 kilogram propane tank inside, 5 kilogram. and filling water this way. All the exterior, and you see there's a key. You can using the key to lock this area. So this is the lighting of it. The chassis material that we are using is the Q345 high strength steel, hot dip galvanized, and UV painted for corrosion resistance, which is perfect for more than 10 years corrosion resistance. Let's take a look here. This is the underneath of the trailer here. The water tank, we are using two water tanks connected each other. Both water tank have the insulation material, 140 liters capacity, 36-gallon waters, equipped with this compact travel trailer here. And right now you see, those are the tools with the camper. So let me introduce. This is the shore power wire, charging wire, and this one is the induction cooker here. So spicy bottles, placing inside. The safety, this one is for the safety reasons here. Yes, you see here, those. So this one is a smaller toolbox. This customer is using the water plumbing system. This is the water plumbing system. To prevent the water pipe frozen in the winter, you were using this plumbing system here. And there is a faucet. This faucet, and this is the stainless material, and at this side is the plastic. So if you are using our default water heater, you using this faucet, you just take out, making sure the water in it just drain out, right? And you can take out the urine in this area. You can also connect another pipe to using the water on the camper here. And you see this customer install a shower tent. You can also take a hot shower external. Especially it's very hot on the camper. You want to save your battery. Save the battery usage here. All right, let's take a whole picture from this way here. And I think this trailer is the most upgrade one. And this customer have a 900 mAh lithium battery for the camper. But lithium battery for exportation is not available because it is will mark to this trailer as hazard parts and hazard goods. The hazard goods, which means the dangerous goods, and it will charge you maybe more than $1,500 for shipping. So it depends. You can modify it locally here. So let's take a look at the rear. This is the rear side of the trailer here. And there's a camera. So this is the aluminum toolbox here. This is the enclosed 20 liters toolbox. All those sheet metals are made of the aviation aluminum. 20-liter box at each side. And this is a full-size spare tire. You have to have this. Just like a soldier have a gun and have spare everything just in the wall. Here, the license plate, the air conditioner fan here. So the rear, we have stainless support back here. You can support back the trailer while you are in the base camp or wildlife camping. And here, 10 liters steel diesel heater, diesel oil for the diesel heater, diesel oil tank, 10 liters capacity. While you are using this diesel oil here, you can using it for water heating almost half month if you are using that. It's very good work. So let's take a look at this hatch. And you see this way. So you can also place some lightweight things on top of it. just like a table here for the external. And let's take a look at this hatch. Lithium battery, 300 mAh for each pack. An international plug, main power switch, solar charger, shore power, 3000 watt inverter here. And also you have it. Here you see. We also have a machine here. Just you can take a look at this way here. And it's a green lighter. And you see this machine here. This one is for the camera. I believe it's for the camera. Alright. Yeah, we are using the independent suspension system and the off-road tire, which makes a difference of your overlanding experience. Independent. Okay, finally we come to the shower side, external kitchen side. Shower, you can take shower inside of a camper or externally. The double layer stainless steel slide out kitchen, and the spicy bottles here will place the inside. So here, yeah, our stuff is working on it, so we just don't make trouble to them. So here, stainless, you put the stove here, 7-core stove, connecting from the front propane. You can cook in here, this area. There's also LED lighting and a faucet, can retractable easily. You can produce hot and cold water, LED lighting. And also here we're hiding a you can put some tablewares inside of it. That's super cool. Alright, spicy bottles. All the basic facilities on this camper. And this is the fully introduction of this flat top trailers for 2024 for China domestic customer. He made some upgrades. I'm mentioning here. He upgrades the 180 degrees side tent plus 2. The normal just 3 meter by 3 meters 1. And also he upgrade for 900 lithium battery and 4 sides cameras here. So apart from this, others are the basic configuration of our trailer. Thank you so much for you guys watching, and today's video is there. Welcome to share with me any questions in your mind. Thank you.